and update my work. How about show me the final work look when I hover over on this image? Let's see. Boom. This image is changed when I hover over on this image. Hello there, how are you doing? Today in this video I wanna show you how we can make image overlay effect in WordPress. To do this, we don't need a single line of coding. We have successfully done this work with a plugin widget. The widget name is advanced image. This features advanced image widget provided by master addons plugin. So let me show you how to do this. Go to plugin dashboard menu. Click on add new. Search master addons. Click on install now. And then active. You don't need to do anything here, simply skip those options. Click on page menu, all page, add new. I am type here home and then publish. Click on edit with elementor. Okay. I don't need to design this page manually. Master addons provide me some ready template like elementor. So click on master addons logo, then insert a random ready page. Let's take a look at the page. I am showing you the main things to edit this image option. Basically, this image widget provided by Elementor. Elementor did not provide the feature which we have needed. So simply I have removed this Elementor image widget and look for advanced image widget by master addons plugin. So we can do our work. Okay, drop it this section. Have a look. This widget offer me hover image option which I have needed. Let's do our last step to add image and show the final result. Update my work. How about show me the final work look when I hover over on this image? Let's see. Boom. This image is changed when I hover over on this image. How was the video, guys, and what should I do next? Comment below. Till then, take care. Bye bye.